Okay, I removed the things from the pouch, and I wanted to show you that you can actually put things on the outside the same way, but even the pocket knife, I could put it outside like that in case I need quick access to it, just like that. And I think for this small pouch, the Victorinox compact would be a better option, so it's not so many layers. 2-layer pocket knife would be better, so I'll show you that. To keep the setup ultralight, I will use the Victorinox compact, which is a bit thinner than the Hunter, not much thinner, but still anything makes a difference. Or I could even use this set where I have the classic SD, Alox, or the one with the Celidor scales, so it has also a toothpick and this cutter blade. But I will use the compact. Really, the compact has everything I might need. It even has a pen, so I had in the previous kit a pen, but like this there is no need for a pen. The pocket knife has the pen already, so I could put the compact actually in this pocket here that didn't fit earlier. Let's see if it fits now. It still didn't fit. So this one is for very tiny things. I'll put it here. Okay, so it does fit pretty well here, like that. And I'm gonna put this belt clip thing for keys. I'll put it on the side there, like that, so it goes out of the way. I also have my wallet. I actually want to change my wallet. I want to use this as the wallet, and I have a few things in the wallet. I also have my identity card here, and it's a tiny model now. They changed them to this tinier model, and I'm really happy about that. And I'm gonna try to see if I can put my ID card in that pouch. And in general, it's not a good idea to carry your ID card. I believe better to have a picture of it on your phone or even a printed version of this, but I want to see if it fits. The ID card does fit, but it's kind of loose here. I wouldn't really trust it to keep it like that. Maybe a bank card would be better to have here than the ID card. Put the ID card at the back here, and then it's really away from everything. It's a bit dangling, so you might lose it. Maybe it's better to keep it in one of these plastic pockets, or to have a simple print of it, just a picture. So I can have a bank card in here, also good size for the bank card. This could have been a little bit deeper, this pocket, I don't know, it feels like they're a bit hanging too much there, I don't know. Also, you could use a smaller pocket knife if needed. And the AirTag should go somewhere, I don't know, doesn't fit there. Okay, so I'll put the AirTag in here. This is the Silvercrest AirTag. It's not the Apple AirTag, but works with the Apple Find My network. So that's where it goes, AirTag. I have a bit of post-it notes and some tape, a tape card. I'll put this tape card on front here. I'll put it like this, and the paper behind, so it doesn't go anywhere. Like this, it kind of holds all the cards together right there. I could also put some money. I use the card for most of everything, but there's always good to have some cash with you. I wish I had some 20 and 10. It's better to have some smaller banknotes than this 50. It's a bit hard to use sometimes. Maybe not such a big deal, but I'll put the money right here at the back, like that. Maybe even not folded. I'll put it. Yeah, the money fits really well. The 50 euro fits perfectly. Like that. So the AirTag out, money goes in, and then I put the AirTag back at the back of the whole thing. So this is really the setup, and I will use also icon. I just got it recently. And I will put the icon at the back right there. So now I have here a pocket knife. I have here, there's nothing. There's just a lighter in front. I don't need a lighter. So I have here the pocket knife. I have a spot here for something, a lighter if needed. I have the tape card. I have a few bank cards. I have the tape card. I have a bus pass. I have the bank card, cash, and the icon, and also the AirTag on inside there. It all fits pretty well, and now also there is a space free here to put something if needed. I think this is a pretty good setup. The Victorinox compact pocket knife already has a pen, but I had the option. I had a pen reserve. I could use this if needed, but this you have to be careful with them because they might be leaking, so careful with that. But this is the setup, my new wallet. So I don't have to carry the bulky thing here. I carry another bulky thing, but it's more interesting. I like the feel of this more than the traditional wallet. Also, I don't need to have much cash in it, and probably I will never use this belt clip, but it's nice to have the option there, and it opens really well like this. The tape, I will probably need to use it at some point. I did use the tape once for from the card, another card. You can also wrap tape around the pen and have it like that, use it as a pen. This is the Solognac X Access Extra Small Daily. This is the daily. Just like that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get an idea of what you can fit inside this, and now it's more compact here. Only this side has a bit of bulk because of the Victorinox pocket knife, but it's very secure, very safe there. Thanks for watching.